Hey everyone, welcome back to Megaverse Builds. Today we are back at Spotify Camp Nou with massive progress across the stadium, especially across the diamond walls on the Lateral. Let's get straight into it. Before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future Camp Nou updates. We're starting at the Lateral, where the most advanced diamond now shows concrete poured across multiple zones, with crews working through several areas at once. A waterproofing membrane has also been applied to one of the concrete sections, drying almost instantly in the heat. Formwork on the surrounding pillars continues, with rebar cages going in ahead of the next pour phase. Nearby, a second diamond is showing real shape now, with shoring beams and props revealing the building's angled roofline for the first time. Welding work is visible on the piston supports in this section, and crews continue progressing here daily. Sandwich panel installation in this zone has also gotten a major upgrade. Crews are now using a suction tool to move panels into place, replacing the 4 workers it used to take to muscle each one onto an elevated platform by hand. One mobility core nearby is now almost fully covered in these panels thanks to the faster process. The Lateral also has 2 new escalators staged near the corner, still waiting to be installed in their final position. Anchor bolt alignment continues throughout this stretch too, with most bolts in one sector already in place, and guide rails helping line up the handful that remain. Now, to the second biggest update, South Goal just installed a brand new Phalange box in record time, fully connected and secured to its slings and bolts in about an hour. With this box in, the compression ring has now pushed well past the halfway mark here, and crews have a clear line of sight all the way toward Tribuna for the first time, with no terrace needed to capture the view anymore. In the same sector, louvers already installed have now been fully tightened and secured, with crews making sure every panel is properly fastened before moving to the next stretch. Some support beams in this area still need their final coat of paint before more louvers go in. Over at North Goal, a new Phalange box is currently suspended and ready to connect with the radial beam already in place. Crews are prepping the platform area just below where the box will land. The diamond wall in this corner continues showing rebar progress on its roof panel sections too, though there's still plenty of work left before this part is ready for concrete. Further along North Goal toward the middle section, crews continue measuring and aligning anchor bolts, with several support beams also receiving inspection. A handful of louvers are expected here once this current sector wraps up. At the corner near Tribuna, crews are actively working inside the mobility cores, with heavy worker presence visible throughout the interior framework. Several elevated platforms are also applying anti-corrosion coating to nearby support beams. Over at Tribuna itself, louver bracket support pieces removed from this zone weeks ago have now been brought back, with vertical connector installation resuming on the interior framework. Crews are also working through detailed tasks on nearby support beams, with platforms positioned above and below to keep progress moving on both levels. So, to wrap up, the Lateral's diamond walls delivered the biggest update today, with concrete pours, a new suction tool for panels, and 2 new escalators staged for installation. South Goal wasn't far behind, locking in a new Phalange box in record time and opening up a clear view all the way toward Tribuna. If you enjoyed today's update, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Camp Nou construction coverage. There is still so much to come at this stadium. Thank you for watching, and as always, Visca el Barça.